Big up Crosses TV.
I'll be a crosses you have over your master.
Practice TV, catch this.
So
You love
even if
her.
it fix, she have to make a public apology. She have to apologize to me and me apologize after. Because at
I,
the end of the day, she is the one who do it.
I agree. I agree. Public up,
Yeah, and that me I say,
just like how it disrespect
sometimes some
publicly.
things,
Just like how it
sometimes
was
it
this,
is
just
hard to
like how the
fix.
disrespect when the one
Already
another
goes.
publicly,
Right?
we're supposed to apologize to each other publicly. I agree.
Like, me don't know, like, girl, I don't know.
It's just USA. Just
I
USA.
just a laugh
God,
to
me
blood
know deep
clot. I
down
feel
in my
like me a
heart,
laugh.
me know deep down in my heart that me love Jada, but me don't know about Jada, but me know you love Jada. You understand what me I say? I mean, know if Jada
Me don't
can
eat
right.
her. Me don't eat apple Saturday at my party, you know. Sunday at my
Yes.
party, you know. And because I'm a party, because of this, it come like say me can't do my party to blood
And you
clot.
know, you have to
When not
enjoy
even
yourself.
go out.
Have to enjoy yourself, my girl. How
You
do
don't
you
want to
say?
say bad things. Who said the bad things first? Who hurt who first? You're talking about talk. If one never, if let me tell you something, oh, this go. You see, if she never hurt me, I wouldn't say things. I'm a human being and I feel pain. See, them I talk to my friend, I'm literally cry. I want to out of my eye, or Jada do
Mm.
me. Literally cry. 1 ear, me know
Them
Jada
love
out of
them.
relationship.
Ah,
1 ear.
on and
One
on.
ear.
Me
One
not
ear.
ask.
One big ear. You see, all
If
the man Jada
nobody
did there
knows
with?
what Destiny
Hold
love,
on. Hold on, the sexy blacks. You see somebody, me and I say somebody, you see the man who love Jada, the man always talks say one thing, Jada, Destiny love you, you know?
bad,
The man tell her
bad.
that.
If nobody no knows you love Jada, me blood
The man
clot.
tell her that in front. The man tell her that in front of her and they also say, one thing, you know, Jada, Destiny love you, you know? Look how Destiny treat you.
So me ask a question. So is it so uno than I rather for Destiny hear Jada and bring her down and don't answer since we not gonna say two wrongs don't make her right. Me not understand. Uno say two wrongs don't make her right, correct. Jada was bringing down Destiny and Destiny was ignoring it. So Destiny should have continued ignoring it. She don't have feelings. Destiny later, yeah, me come on for the life. I'm going to come. Them
Come
are
for
something
way. Stay
later.
right where blood clot, them you idiot.
Later, because them are something. I mean, I understand people. Them
Stay
just a look
right where
at
you there.
one side of it. One side of it. Me not understand. If somebody constantly cursing somebody and the person is trying to ignore, if you keep on poking a fucking bear, the bear is going to turn and bite you. If you keep on bothering a dog, the dog is going to turn and bite you. Jada was bringing on Destiny, and Destiny was answer. So no did want Destiny to not respond. Come on, people, not have
But
sense.
sexy
Get there,
blacks.
Destiny.
Sexy black, stay right there. But all the bring down that Jada give me, Jada do me worse. Watch out. Why?
I
All the bring down
understand.
that
I
Jada give
understand.
me worse. Hey. Hmm?
I guess them feel like saying not a feeling and not so.
Destiny. Before you know, she come in now. When you not understand, she'll bring me down. Not yesterday when Wednesday. No, yesterday is Tuesday. Monday, remember say she'll bring me down Monday, you know. To Tuesday, you know. Yes. Monday to Tuesday, yeah.
I understand. And you see, true, me know my head hot and I don't want trouble your followers. Me better keep my mouth shut. I don't know if them the one you
Okay. All they
about.
bring down, when me I bring her down, but still I chat good about her. All the bring down that she gave me, yes, I bring her down. But you have to remember that she's the one who draw me down and go over beauty bling alive. When she sit with and she tell me say she don't like beauty bling because beauty bling do things. And only the other tell me saying sit beside her only and only trouble me. And she tell only say leave me alone.
Talk
And I
truth,
still
Cole.
talking about things good. I'm still talking about good things about her. When she sit on her life and saying that Destiny, I hate you. I'm sitting on my life and I'm cussing her and tell her that I love her. I don't hate you. I love you. Because when you hate someone, you hate yourself. And when you love yourself, you have to love someone.
Exactly. Can't bother with them just bias. Then rather if them but we know me understand with this internet, that's why I'm not two company can them
Sexy
think we are fake
blacks.
and blood clot phony.
I will
Then
leave my
rather for
phone,
one
my
person
son
and
gone off
cuss
on
you, and
Instagram. I
cuss
will
you,
go
and cuss you, and
TikTok.
cuss you, and cuss you, and you just don't unlock your blood clot mouth and
Sexy
then go
blacks,
one side
listen.
what's up about pussy that because she not answer the
Sexy
girl.
blacks, listen. I am very serious, and I'm gonna tell you this. I'm serious as a judge. I remember me tell you, see, because of this, my watch say I'm serious. After my birthday, I'm gonna give Instagram a 1 month break or a 2 month break. Or if me no want to come back, me don't come back. You remember me used to do Facebook?
Yeah.
Sexy blacks, remember see how much 2,000, 3,000 people watching me on Facebook. And so when I do Facebook,
Remember?
I never ever return back to Facebook. That is what I'm gonna do Instagram.
Remember?
Remember me definitely tell you that. Alright, watch this. So sexy
Type
blacks there.
them on Instagram, then just fake
She
and
sexy
blood
blacks there.
clot phony.
3,000 and 4,000 people is watching me on Facebook. I'll back my name is on my Facebook. I mean, never come off of Facebook for good and come on Instagram.
You never
That
know.
is what I'm gonna do with Instagram. Watch this.
Do that.
This.
Do that. Go over TikTok. If
Yeah.
you want to do something, go to TikTok.
I better me go on TikTok for true.
Yeah, better you go over TikTok, man. Cause
Yeah.
Instagram people just bias.
And if they find me on TikTok, me leave TikTok. I'm gonna find one
Them
of the
just
gay app
blood
them to go
clot
pan.
bias.
Who not going nowhere? Who not going nowhere? You mad? Are you crazy? Are you mad? You see this? When me Jada put me through, I'm leaving social media for good. Remember me blood clot tell on that. See sexy like me know for 8 blood clot years. Me over blood clot Facebook, fake Facebook them love
Yep.
me. I'm over Facebook with 3,004 blood clot people watch
3,000,
me.
3,500
Every day me go pan pink wall
watch
me over Facebook. Every day me go pan kick mix up over blood clot Facebook.
Mm-hmm.
Every single day. I'm left that blood clot there. Oh, me left that blood clot. I mean, never return back to sexy blacks there. Never ever. One girl text me today and she say, you know, if I when me a text, you know, if I when me a watch up on Facebook, long time. I don't know true nobody make me go leave. It is because
You
of
need to get a break,
the
man.
disrespectful. I'm going to
Yeah.
take a break.
You need to get a break, dog.
All of them used to come out pan me and me give them fame.
Yeah.
Look pan
Give them a
Emily. And
break,
my
man.
life, the first life,
Yeah.
Emily come pan. Pan Latina,
Mm-hmm.
my life, the first life, Latina come pan. All of them is in America. Destiny. How many people I find out say I can't blood clot because I'm mouth spicy? Them say no, we have to stay, yes, sir.
True. And all why you come on the internet come because you used to dance and you used to cook and you used to dep on your clean and every day you come and when people fuck with you, you cuss. And you never used to call, you never used to start on Instagram a cuss. And when the people them start come for you, start rip them. When you first come on Instagram, that you never had a cuss nobody. And them come for you.
Me don't know about life is funny, me love. Me just cannot believe, girl. Me just can't believe. I just something I can't believe.
You live and learn, baby girl. You live and
I can't believe. People don't understand. People do not
you live
understand.
and learn.
When you see people and think people not hurt. You don't understand.
I know there
Earth
must be
deep
things
down.
that stone. There must be things that your heart make out of blood clot stone. You live and learn though. So you can know.
Earth
Loyal to
bad.
who loyal to
Earth,
you.
earth, earth, earth bad. Earth bad.
Me know me see it.
Earth.
Me see it from me like comment. That's why me jump up when them tell if you done. Leave you make your vent, you're hurting. Them don't know how far you and Jada come. Them don't know the love you have for Jada. Them keep on tell if you done. Make your fucking vent and get over with it. Maybe tomorrow you wake up and you just say, cha.
Sometimes they have text about some of the pan Jada and go pan the road, girl. Guys, I have to follow the top page because the top page means me use the bottom page, but I have to follow the top page. But the bottom page, the life kind of black not the 31. Me dey pan the life, girl. Me dey in here, I pray, I ball every day. I say, Father God, cover Jada. Girl, me dey here, me all pray, I say, God, me wish me right now, me rich right now, because any or me rich, me I'll find one rich man. Jada can't live in America, because me I take Jada from America. Sometimes I dey here, but everything at my fear reason because sometimes I dey here, I dey pan God. Me not lie. Oh, to when me love Jada, me feel like I want to go back to America. Me dey here, I
You
think
tell
about
me
it.
say the only you tell me say the only person that make you go back to America is Jada. You tell me that. Funny life. Some of them know what some of them biased fake people, yeah. Them rather you sit down and then them one side go, oh Jada, anger destiny and pussy this and nah, make you vent, leave her alone. She hurt.
Me,
If Uno cannot see the hurt in a destiny face, Uno is not destiny friend. And if Uno not see destiny a bad blood clot living here, what does that mean? Her heart broken. I don't know tell her to stop. How can you
But
all
you
do
must say
that?
but you talk about that. Them know cause them this see me I cry yesterday. Me literally cry I water yesterday.
Me
Me
know me
literally
see the live.
cry.
Them send me the live.
I literally cry I water. You need them say this one must see one live when me I cry. I literally
Yeah.
cry for real. I cry I water.
When they say me
Mm-hmm.
live and me there work one why y'all water drop out of me like me know me feel the blood clot hurt. Me feel the pain. Me
Mm-hmm.
feel it. Me feel it. What me delete every fucking video with the people them say me I through me there work. Me delete them. When me see you stump on live and a ball to blood class, so when I time me words then couldn't come out of your mouth because you're a ball and that's not a fake ball that somebody will hurt and them pussy wall ya. I can't talk about you for done. Make your vent and let it out so tomorrow you wake up with that better feeling. Them not understand when a person need to vent. They need to get it off of their chest. You don't want to go your bed with it on your chest and God see me something got me in your sleep. Come on, man, no lower dog.
No.
No leave her alone. If you don't want to hear she cuss me come off.
People don't understand.
You live and learn, baby girl. You live and learn. You live and learn. If you are not do go back to be friend, just know you're distant. You have 20% and you keep 80 for yourself. If you not go back being friend. Know you
We
know
are friend from
just do
her.
that.
I just want to just move on. And even if it fix, me not talk, me not
Yeah, there is
apologize to
no
no
trust
girl with
there.
blood clot. I must
There is
apologize
no
to me
trust.
because me
If you
never this
fix
no
there is
blood
no
clot,
trust.
girl.
Once trust broken, that's it. Never hear her this Jada until Jada Robaro. Yo, some people, boy.
But this is it. Even some people say they can't believe say a Jada that because they never know so Jada stay.
Maybe I want demon jump in her blood clot. Cause one I time when she dip on the live and she have on the black one black boxers and she shake her head, that no look like blood clot. Jada to me that it for real. It look like one demon take over her fucking body.
Remember
Cause that no
Satan?
look like Jada when me know soft
Remember?
and quiet Jada we can add it talk and
Remember,
lie.
all I know, sexy blacks. Remember, say Satan no like me, no Satan always send out our demons, them, you know. So no almost Satan draft for Jada. But
But
all
you
me I
know
use
what?
God for fight. All me I use God for fight to come like saying in that work, my love him. Cause remember, you know, all she Jada cause you know. All she cause me now answer, you know. So I come like Satan send up Jada upon me and say, go on at the time this now. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. At the
Me
time
nah have
this.
not you are not a friend at the end of the day,
But
me
this
your
so
friend. Me nah have nothing bad to say about her,
sexy
but all
blacks,
I
this
am going
so
to say is she's wrong. She
sexy
was
blacks,
wrong.
this so.
Yes, so I let rid around D because when Jada dip on the blood clot live, Jada, me can't hardly hear what Jada say
No,
and me
listen,
get
hold on,
blood
let me
clot
say
when they
something.
send
Let
me
me say
live.
something, girl. Hold on, sexy blacks, please. Yes, all of the people me are them supposed to make it be worse. What about Jada going on people live? I didn't beauty bring at them, only them to bring me down and draw
Yeah.
me down. So if I want to add anybody to make it worse, no problem. But sexy blocks, as I said, I'm gonna just look. Listen, I'm gonna move on.
At the end
I'm
of the
gonna stop.
day, at
Yes,
the
I'm
end
gonna
of the
stop talk about this. Listen, even if I talk about it, I will not disrespect her. I'm gonna stop. I'm done. I'm
right,
done. Even if I
right,
talk how I feel, I will not disrespect her. I'm done.
exactly. Just vent.
Yes, destiny
Just get it off.
is done. Okay. Yeah,
Just get
destiny
it
is
off.
done. I am just even if I talk about the situation, I'm not going to disrespect her. I'm not enough. Right? I'm again because she's wicked. She's wicked, and the thing that she should do me, she's so wicked. Like I'm
And I
telling you.
hope and I hope the people them in the
But
comment or at comment and I talk about add bad live and make it worse.
but
Uno is
listen,
biased. I don't bias. I speak justice.
listen,
Jada was wrong. That's what
listen,
I said.
listen, just listen. As I said again, I will not I will not disrespect her. If she want to disrespect me, or if they want to talk things about me, let they speak. Because the more you humble, and the more God bless you. You never hear them tell us say, the humbler you be, is the more blessing you get. I will not ever cuss her again. I'm done. But if I want to talk about how I feel, I can speak about how I feel. But I am done.
Exactly. That's all them did need to do. Make your vent. See it there? Me not tell you no. Only just make your vent and Destiny will come right round. See it there? That's it there? See it there? She say it out her one mouth. She just have to get it off her chest. See it there now? And she not disrespect Jada again. Trust me. Me can bet on no money upon that. She just did need to get it off at that moment. See her there? See Destiny come back there already. Probably tomorrow no wake up on the net even they know say a Destiny did a cuss it. Cause let's probably get up tomorrow and a dance already for your party. No like when people make them sometime, man.
Serious. And anybody is bringing down Jada, and don't send me any live, please. Do not send me any live. And anybody come on my live to disrespect Jada, I'm going to tell him that this is over. Start your live and disrespect her. Period.